Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to color grade photos in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, we need to go to layer section. Now find the new adjustment layer and then go to gradient map. Now you can choose whether to name your layer or not, and then leave the color section. Now change the mode from normal to soft light, and then change the opacity to 30, and then click OK. Now you already see some changes in our photo. Now click the gradient map, and then go to gradient types and then select noise, and now change the roughness to 20, and then make sure that the restrict colors is checked, and just after that go to randomize and find your desired look of the photo. I'm just gonna go with this one. Now after that, click OK. Now I don't want the look of the eyes of this cute kitty, so what I'm going to do now is go to brush tool and make sure that the opacity is 100% and the flow is 100%. Now you have to change the layer color to black. Just click this. Now you can brush the area that you want to remove. And now if we'll take a look in the whole picture, this is the before and this is the after, and it clearly make the photo visually appealing. Now we have another sample right here. Just go to layer and go to new adjustment layer. Now go to gradient map, and you can name whatever you want the layer and leave the color alone. Change the mode to soft light and change the opacity to 30. Now click OK. Now after that, just go to gradient map and change the gradient type to noise. Now change the roughness to 30%, and just make sure the restrict colors is checked, and just click randomize to choose whatever color you want. I think I'm just gonna go with this one right here. Now if you're okay with the color, just click OK. Now you can also check the dither or the reverse if you want, just like this. It clearly gives a different look in our photo. Now I don't really want the look of the eyes right now. What you're going to do is go to brush tool and make sure the opacity and flow is 100%, and just gonna brush off and erase the effect from the eyes to bring back the normal one. Now after that, you can also add some actions if you have in this option. Now once you're done, you can look, this is the before and this is the after. You can make changes of this photo. You can also check the reverse or check the dither, and then that's it. After that, you can just save your photo to your device. Now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.